Welcome to Subman Math. I'll be your tutor on mathematics, further maths, physics, and statistics. So we have this question on variation to solve. Let's see this. Now, we have the question says if A varies directly as the cube root of B, and if A is 3, B is 64, find the formula connecting the variables. Hence, find B when A is 15/4. So first of all, we need to identify the kind of variation this is. So from the question, we already know the type of variation, that this is a direct variation. The question says if A varies directly as the cube root of B. That's the cube root of what? Of B. Now, let's introduce our constant. We can say when A equals, we introduce the constant K cube root of B. When we remove this sign, we introduce the what? The constant equals to KB. So now let's find the formula connecting them. Now, so we divide here by 3 KB, divide here by 3, sorry, not 3, this is cube root, sorry, not 3, this is the cube root, divide here by the cube root of B. So that means we have our K to be A over the cube root of B. So when A is 3, we have here to be the cube root of B is what? Is 64. So what's the cube root of 64? We have here 3 over. It simply means how many times, what number will you multiply into 3 to give us 64? What number will you multiply into 3 will give us 64? So the number is 4. Because when we say 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 will give us 64. So that means the cube root of 64 is 4. So here we have here that K is equals to 3/4. So that means if you are to substitute this K back to this equation, the formula, we have A equals, remember we have K and we have the cube root of B. So substitute K as 3/4. We have A equals 3/4. Then the cube root of what? Of B. Now, from here now, we are told to find, we'll find this is the formula. This is not the formula connecting them. Now, we are told to hence find B when A is this. So that means we have to make B subject formula. Since we have A equals 3/4, we have here as the cube root of B. So let's say we cross multiply, we have 3, then the cube root of B equals 4A. Divide both sides by 3. So we have here as the cube root of B equals 4A over 3. Now, when the root crosses over an equality sign, it becomes power. When power crosses over an equality sign, it becomes root. So this is a root crossing over, because well, that means B will give us 4A over 3 raised to power what? 3, because it is cube root, that is 3. So B will give us now 4 times A is what? We are giving A as 15/4. So 4 times 15/4, all of them divided by what? 3. So 4 into each of 1, into this one 4. So hereby we have 15/3. So 15/3 here, remember still raised to power 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here, we have at 5. So B is equals to 5 raised to power 3. Is equals to 5 raised to power 3. And 5 raised to power 3 simply means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5 give us 125. That means 5 raised to power 3 will give us 125.